Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G22 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen, just like that. And basically all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. If you cannot, for some reason, find the settings in this position, then tap on the three dots icon right here and the settings should appear. Then you will be able to tap on them, hold them and drag them to this section to, of course, have much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages, so we've got only English right now. Let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So this list is so wide, so I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to set here. And basically that's all you have to do. So find the language and tap on it. Let me pick, for example, Arabic, because it's quite graphical language and you will be able to see the difference. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, sometimes you will be also able to pick the region, of course. So let's tap, and depending on the language, you will be able to pick the keyboard type. So sometimes you will have like 3 or 4 different keyboard types, like handwriting and so on. So it's of course up to you which option you'd like to use. I will stick with this one, so let me tap on done. And the Arabic language has been immediately applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So it is simply a language key. So right now I am typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let me tap on it again and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you do not need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let me tap on the settings again, tap on the languages, and here let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon here. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty, so we do not have the name of the language, and we cannot find the globe icon, so the language key, which means that of course we've got only one language applied. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Motorola Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.